Hi, everybody. My name is Nyron Burke. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Lithero. Lithero is an AI company proudly based in Philadelphia, and we serve the life sciences industry by partnering with brands to help them accelerate, reach their promise. This video is a little bit emotional for me, to be honest. I'm a business guy, but also a person. I got a heart. And the reason why it's emotional for me is I'm thinking about the reason why I started Lithero, and not just from a business standpoint. Clearly, I'm an entrepreneur. I want Lithero to be very successful and deliver a great return for me and my team, my investors. Like, that's a given. But part of why I'm passionate about the life sciences industry and our role in the life sciences industry is, at the end of the day, the products in life sciences don't just make people's lives convenient or fun or those kind of things. There's nothing wrong with that. At the end of the day, we're trying to help people who are ill. And so when we get better, we help more people. And I'm really passionate about that. So I want to tell you a story. And I thought about this story because one of the brands that our product Lara is powering is oncology medicine. And a few years ago, we lost a friend. My family and I lost a very dear friend to us. And she died from bladder cancer. And that process was pretty hard. We watched her suffer pretty badly. And one of the products later, after she had already passed away, approved to treat bladder cancer. And I've always kind of wondered in my mind, like, man, I wonder if that had happened earlier, right? If that approval had happened a little bit faster, if she had found out, if her doctors had known about this treatment option, would it have made a difference? And not just in terms of saving her life, potentially, but would it have given her more time, right? To be with her family and to live maybe a more comfortable life. And so as a business person, when we build technology and we work with brands and we say, hey, we can help you be more efficient and get your content out faster. That's what I think about. I think about not just the ROI and the fact that we're going to save money and those kind of things, but that we will actually help life-saving treatments and the message about those treatments impact people like my friend faster. We can help that content get out faster. We can be part of that chain that goes all the way from a lab to an actual patient, right? That everything is connected. And so anything that we can do to help that process, whether you're all the way on the R&D side and there's lots of AI work happening there, which is great, or like us, you're on the commercial side, you said, hey, we've got this approval, let's make sure that everybody knows about it so they can make an informed decision that's going to impact their life, their quality of what it means to just deal with a particular illness, right? That prescriber can have a treatment option, something else in their toolkit to maybe give a family hope. Right? That's why I'm so passionate about not only what we're doing, but about the real impact. It's one of our core values, that we are here to help brands make a bigger impact. And that's why I'm passionate about calling on the industry to really change. Change is hard, but it's a lot easier if you have a really strong North Star. Like, here's why it's important to change. Here's why it's important to maybe upset the apple cart a little bit in terms of how we've been doing business, right? Because at the end of the day, if we can unlock more resources, if we can free up more time, right? If we can reduce more risk, it has an impact on real people who want to hear about this message and need to hear about it, right? So that's why we exist. Our name Lithero means to set free, and I think about unlocking all those powerful people to go impact more patients, and that's why we're here. And so thank you for listening. Thank you for partnering with us. I think this is a movement, right? We're out there to really help real people. So thank you for doing the hard work and partnering with us to make change.